What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Space ID and the ID token. Wanted to create an update on that since, first of all, it's still technically very bullish. And apart from that, it's obviously interesting what's going on. Yesterday we received quite a lot of bearish momentum, which was caused by the market that had nothing to do with Space ID, but in the end, that's the crypto correlation for you. It's just there and it will probably soon or not soon go away. But because of that, we actually dropped down through the last support level, which in my eyes at least was our last support level, around 83 cents. What I said yesterday is that, well, if that breaks, we are probably bearish, which I wanted to talk about again in this video, because in the end, I do think that we received bearish confirmation. I do think ID right now, on the short term at least, is bearish. But in the end, it doesn't mean that all hope is gone. And if I've learned something in the last week, is that you should never really bet against Space ID, even though I did, but still. So we'll talk about everything you need to know. We'll do a full overview on it. But before we do that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto Space ID. So first of all, one of the things we always look at with Space ID in the last couple of videos is the volume. Because usually one of the first indicators you'll see with cryptos that have had a bull run like this, when they start falling, the volume starts to drop down tremendously. Volume since yesterday, even though we got that spike, a spike of volume when we had that drop, volume is down to under 400 million right now. 30% decrease, and I expect it to keep decreasing. Usually when that happens, that means that hype is gone, and something you need with moves like this and rallies like this is a little bit of hype. So I would say what I think the most likely scenario is right now, given the fundamentals that we can observe and given the technicals, but because in the end we also had a major bearish breakout, we dropped down all the way to 75 cents, and from there, rightfully so, we got some support, because this level, 75 cents, is a huge psychological support level. But apart from that, there's also that 200 EMA. So we're getting some support from that, but our next stop resistance levels are between 82 and 84 cents. The only way in which we could still be bullish is if we get up to like 86 cents and break above 84 and 82. If we can do that, then we are still, at least on the short term, bullish, and we can rally up to 92 cents easily. Is this realistic? Yes, I would just think that the probability of that is around like 20-25%. So as I said, you should never bet against Space ID. It is a possibility, but in the end, I think it's more likely. Also because I expect more bearish pressure and momentum from the market, I think it's more likely that we will get up to this level right here around 83-84 cents, and that from there we will drop back down to 75, consolidate on top of that, and then at some point break that and drop down to 68 cents. Given the technicals right now, given the fundamentals and general direction in the market, I would say that is the most likely scenario. Now, in the end, I will keep you updated on that. I have been monitoring ID for days now, so I'll continue doing that. But for now, that is my take on ID. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.